Today we are going to look at conditional clauses. In real life, we make decisions based on certain conditions. For example, if it is sunny, I will go swimming. If it is raining, I will stay at home. So how do we do this in Python? Sunny equal to input. Is it sunny today? We want yes or no as answer. If sunny equal to yes, we will print I'll go swimming. We use if for the condition. If sunny equal to yes, I will go swimming. There are two things to take note here. This is called a condition. If sunny equal to yes, that's a condition. See this print, there's a tab in front. It means that we only do this line if sunny equal to yes. Let's run this code. Is it sunny today? Let's put a yes. I'll go swimming. But if I run again, this time I put a no. It doesn't do anything. So let's change the code. I'm going to copy it here. And this time I want to add if sunny equal to no, print I will stay at home. Run this code. It will print I'll stay at home. We can modify this code to do it in a slightly different way. Okay, I'll copy the code here. Instead of putting if sunny equal to no, I'll put an else. So if sunny equal to yes, I'll go swimming. Else, I will stay at home. We run this code. If I put a no, it will still print I'll stay at home. So this else meaning as long as sunny not equal to yes, I will stay at home. If you compare these two, they are different. For the second example here, the else, I will print I'll stay at home as long as sunny not equal to yes. That means if I key in maybe, not sure, it will print I'll stay at home. Let's try. Is it sunny today? I'll put not sure. It will still print I'll stay at home. So anything other than yes, it will go to else and it will do I'll stay at home. But for this example, let's run again. If I put not sure, is sunny equal to yes? No. So I won't print I'll go swimming. Is sunny equal to no? Also no. So I will not print I'll stay at home. So if we run this, it doesn't do anything. So that's a difference. Now in this example, we only have one condition, which is sunny equal to yes or no. We can also have two conditions. Suppose I want to study, but I will only study if it's raining because I can't go outside. And I also feel motivated. So I'll have two conditions before I can start coding. So we can have condition 1, raining equal to input. Is it raining? Yes or no. We can also have second condition, motivated equal to input. Do I feel motivated? Yes or no. If raining equal to yes and motivated also equal to yes, I'll print I will study coding. Okay, so we need to have both conditions are true, then I will study coding. We can also have an or condition. For example, if it's raining, I will stay at home and study coding because I can't go outside. Or if I feel motivated, I also stay at home and study coding. So let's change this. I'll just change this end to all. If it's raining, I will study coding. If I feel motivated, I'll also study coding. Okay, let's try both examples. So the first example end. When I run, is it raining? Let's put a yes. Do I feel motivated? Maybe not at this moment. So I put a no. So it doesn't do anything. Let's look at the second example. Is it raining? Yes. Do I still feel motivated? No. But I'll still study coding because it's all here. As long as one of these conditions is true, I will study coding. Sometimes in real life, we don't just have 2 scenarios, we have more than 2 scenarios. In Singapore, we have this grading system. If your score is greater than 75, you will get an A. If your score is between 60 to 74, you get a B. And 50 to 59, you get a C. Less than 50, you get a D. In this case, it's very hard to use if-else because I have 4 scenarios. And we can use if, else. So if meaning else if. First, let's get the score of the student. So score equal to, and because later on we need to compare this score with different numbers, so we need to convert it to an integer. Okay, so integer input, what is your score? Then we are going to look at our first scenario. If score is greater than or equal to 75, I'll print A. If, that means else is already less than 75. And if, add one more condition. If score is greater than or equal to 60, I'll print B. If score is greater than or equal to 50, I'll print C. Else, I will print D. So each if, meaning else if. For the first if, because it's already after else, so that means score is already less than 75. Plus score is greater than or equal to 60. So this range is actually 60 to 74. Similarly for this if, because it's already after the first 2 conditions, that means score is already less than 60. Now it also has to be greater than or equal to 50. So this range is 50 to 59. Now the last else, this is less than 50. Let's run this. If I put 80, I'll get A. If I run again, by this time, maybe I'll put 65. I'll get B. Okay. If we change this code a little bit, if I change the if to if, do you think it will still give us the same result? Let's try. This time, if I put 80, I'll get A, B, C. Why? Because we have 3 if. 80, it is greater or equal to 55, so print A. It is also greater than or equal to 60, so we print B. It is greater than or equal to 50, so we print C. That's why we have A, B, C. So if and if are different.